how to find advanced shipping rules settings on Bigcommerce isn't quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find it. First, open your browser and here you will find settings. Click on it and then click shipping. Here is it. And now just scroll down until you find advanced shipping rules, and here you can manage it. What you need to install this one here. Just click install and then wait, and that's it. Here you can manage advanced shipping rules. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.